Hi Cheri, thanks for all the great dosing information in your free dosing class and for the dosing calculator tool that comes with it. I have one question though. I'm starting with 1¼ cups or 10 ounces of coconut oil, which is condensing to 1 cup or 8 ounces after draining the infusion. Do I use the 10 ounce or the 8 ounce measurement in my dosing calculation? That's a great question, and one that I get frequently enough that it's high time, pun intended, that I do a video about it. Before I get to the answer though, let me remind everybody there'll be more information in the comments below about what I'm talking about. And hit that subscription button and notification bell, because I try to upload a new video every Wednesday. Okay, so like you, I always start with a little bit more than I hope to get back. So if I want to get a cup of coconut oil infused back, I will start with 1¼ cups. So great job there. Why? Because when you're draining and straining, some of that oil is going to stick to the plant material, so you never get back exactly what you put in. But when you're figuring out the dosage, use the amount you get back. So in this case, use the 8 ounce, not the 10 ounce calculation in the dosing calculator. And as you know, it will do all the math for you. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, be sure to see the comments below for a link to the free dosing class and calculator. But pretty simple, use the amount you get back after you drain and strain your infusion. Eat your weed.